Hi there, it's Chelle and Clint.
Hi guys.
So I have a flip through. This one is now finished. I finished it this morning. Yesterday was just a whole bunch of fun putting in the hot water heater.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you guys that in tomorrow's video. So I try to stay on track when I'm doing a flip through, because I know some people just watch for the flip throughs.
What?
So this is the finished project of Tina with Shabby Dabbydoodah with her kits. Hi Tina, if you're watching.
Hi Tina.
So about 1 3/4 inch spine, and then all of these are her kits that we printed on paper.
Printed on paper.
And then, I mean on fabric, and then Clint cut them out and made this beautiful cover. I love how it turned out. This is a tassel that I made, and since it has butterflies in the signature or in the digital kits, this one has a butterfly theme. And I made this tassel, which was inspired by Tina Bean over at Crafty Bean. There is some grosgrain ribbon, so let's get started in here. But yeah, so this is a design project for Miss Tina, and this is one of her. I do have the kits listed below if you want to go and get one of those kits, but this is a huge journaling spot that was part of the digital. And then I made this really fun little booklet that had the digitals, from the digitals. And then this is one, I put lace throughout the journal. There are 3 signatures, and there's about 12 pages in each signature. So it's about, what, 12, 24, oh, I can't think, but if you can do the math. I'm still really sore from yesterday. So coffee dye paper throughout. This is a little collage inspired by Rachel at Roxy Creations. Just some little cards and stuff I had that I made to go into this journal. Sorry about that, that's really loud, isn't it? Little tuck spot we made just recently, and then plenty of journaling space in here. I love this side, isn't that pretty? And this little piece I didn't make specifically for this journal, but it worked perfectly. And there's a fabric flip. Again, there is some the material that Clint printed on. There was some left over, so I made them into fabric flips for in here. But yeah, this is part of Tina's digital. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. So pretty. Coffee dye paper from GT Designs. Like I said, tons of journaling. And then this is another beautiful page from the kits. Each of the signatures, the strands have charms on them. Silver, I kind of went with silver for this one. Lace, coffee dye paper. And just, I mean, tons of journaling space in here. Some music paper, just interesting pages. So I want whoever gets this to have plenty to decorate, to journal, whatever you'd like to do. But I love these digital kits. So pretty. So pretty. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Coffee dye paper, coffee dye paper. This was a leftover of the fabric, and what I did is I sewed it to like a piece of cardstock so that we could still put that in here. And then I just made some of the leftovers into little journaling cards. But I love that fabric so much, I really wanted to use it as much as I could in this journal. Beautiful paper from my friend Nora. Hi Nora.
Hi Nora.
Coffee dye paper.
Won't be the last time I could use that technique.
No, Clint said he's definitely going to use that technique again. Here's a belly band, and then I have some cute little fabric flowers there, and then just a journaling spot. This ended up being a busy week. I tried to get this done a little bit earlier, but today I could hardly move. So, some charms. But I love how this turned out. It's so pretty. A little bit of overage on the glue, I think, when I glued that lace down. This is my secret journaling spots. If you saw me kind of put these together, they will come up, and then it's a place where you can journal, and you can just pop that back in there. And it's not, you know, if you don't want someone to know it's in there, it's not in there, then it's going to be kind of hard for them to figure it out. And then just a little tag there, and then another secret journaling spot here. Sorry. And that's just a manila folder, and on the fold I wanted to use that because it's so flat. There we go. But I love putting those in my journals. Some little graph paper, coffee dyed paper. And then another one of her pages. I just love those. And the paper I print on it's from Red River paper, and it's the same one that Gayle uses a lot, and I really like it. It really pops the colors, so I really love that. So pretty. Some graph or some ledger paper, and then this is one we did together, and then I just put just a simple little card in there so you could journal on, and just to kind of show you that there's something in there, you can replace it or whatever. But I love that. And this was her one of her background pages that I trimmed out and then just made a pocket. I think that's so pretty. So pretty. I love it. So many fun things in this journal to look at. And again, this is another piece of the fabric that was printed on, and then I just pulled a butterfly from my stash, and then kind of like a stamp sticker, and put that on there just to give it a little bit of interest, because it was kind of like a plain background. And then I just put some journaling pieces in here. A lot of times, and I will send a little bag to go along with this of any scraps and stuff, so you can journal in there. You can decorate it further if you'd like. Just do whatever you want to, but so you have some, you know, pages that match. And then this is a pen holder, and I kind of decorated it for the journal. I think it looks really cute. And then you just pop a pen in there, and it's a paper clip. One I had, it didn't quite go, so I just kind of added a little bit to it, and I think it goes really well now. Another beautiful page from Tina's thing, and then this beautiful little butterfly and this key. I have glue all over my fingers. I've been working on it for a couple hours. I tell you guys, yeah. After we got done yesterday, it was like, I can't move.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is one of those, sorry guys, one of those pieces that you can journal in. I guess it goes like this. I don't know how it goes. It doesn't matter. But I just made an envelope, and then I put a slit in it so that you could just kind of journal in there. And then there's another piece inspired by Roxy, or Rachel with Roxy Creations, made into a pocket. Beautiful papers, beautiful coffee dyeing. Again, that was from Renee at GT Designs. Another fabric flip, which I absolutely love. Sorry, there's a little fuzz. And then another little fabric flower, ledger, just some fun pages. And then in the back, we did put this big pocket for lace, and it kind of has some give to it, so you can kind of fill it up pretty well. This was just like a little booklet there. And then this was one of those things we made inspired by Natasha. I don't remember, at Treasure Books. You guys know who I'm talking about probably. Uh-oh, I need to glue that down a little bit better. Then it has a little piece here, little pieces in here. But it's just a fun little piece that was in my stash, and I thought I'd throw that in. And then just a little piece you could decorate a little bit further, plenty of journaling space. So I hope you guys like this. We should be back to our regularly scheduled programming tomorrow, which, you know, is just like jabbering and rambling and all that good stuff. It was just a rough day, especially putting on, yeah, our hot water cooler or heater, whatever it's called. But thank you guys so much for watching. This will be going up at 6 o'clock tonight, Mountain Time. It's about 2 o'clock now, so in about 4 hours this will be going up on my Etsy, and that will be listed below if you want to go check that out. It's just the Rambling Crafter on Etsy. And I hope you guys like this. It was really fun. I love the muted colors. It's just, you know, it's something, I've been doing really bright colors recently, and I really love how this turned out. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So thank you again, Tina, for letting us use your beautiful kits, and I tell you, it wouldn't be the same without them, because your kit totally made it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.